Hi, it's Jen. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be cleaning some rooms in my house, and I hope this motivates you to clean some rooms along with me. If you are new to my channel, please click that subscribe button, and if you like cleaning videos, please give this video a thumbs up. So the first room that I'm going to clean today is my bedroom. I always start cleaning my bedroom by making up the bed and putting my 1,000,000 pillows on the bed and figuring out exactly where they go each time. But I do love the aesthetics of all the pillows on the bed. And then I just finish making up the bed by putting a blanket that I actually purchased at Hobby Lobby. Of all places, I love the texture of it at the end of the bed. Next, I just take my electrical cords and anything that I have on my night table and put it in the drawer of my night table to tidy up. Next, I am just wiping down my bedside table using the 7th generation glass cleaner. That is by far my favorite glass cleaner. It's not strong and it does not leave streaks. Now I'm just going to play some music for you as I finish cleaning my bedroom. Now I am wiping down the mirrors in my bathroom using the 7th generation glass cleaner and wiping down my faucets, and now I'm cleaning my toilet using Lysol wipes to wipe it down, and then I'm going to use the Mrs. Meyer's toilet bowl cleaner to clean the toilet. I used to, when I was cleaning, I would put the brush like on the side of the toilet and then put the toilet seat down, but I found that it was leaving hard water stains. So I have a toilet bowl brush that actually allows me to just leave it there without closing the lid. So that, I just find that works well for me. Also, any of you guys who do cleaning videos, what do you wear when you do your cleaning videos? I am wearing a sweatshirt that's about 2 sizes too big, and so I've actually cut a lot out because it makes me look about twice as big as I am. Now I am using a solution of Mrs. Meyer's dish soap and vinegar water to clean the inside of my sink, and then I will use the same thing to clean the inside of my bathtub. So basically I'm just cleaning everything, getting a nice fresh bathroom. Now I am just moving into my kitchen and I am wiping down the countertops using the Mrs. Meyer's Mum Scent Smell. That was one of my favorite scents and I'm trying to continue to use that. Also, earlier in the day, I had heated up my lunch and I made a spill in the microwave, so I needed to clean that, so I'm going to do that as well. Wash up a few dishes and put them in the dishwasher and just clean off the cabinets. I end up a lot of the time using my bar area as a little office throughout the day. I keep my to-do list there, and sometimes I keep some volunteer stuff that I do in my computer, so I just needed to clean all of that off. Also, if you are looking for a good book to read, Girl Wash Your Face is an awesome book that I'm really enjoying reading, and it's really about empowering women and just the struggles that we go through. So, if you have not read that, definitely check it out. Earlier this day, I had laid out some items that I have purchased for my organizational video series. So I am just cleaning that up off the table. I wanted to lay it out to see exactly what I had and if I needed to purchase anything else. So I'm just putting that away and then cleaning the table. I also purchased a new water bowl and food bowl for Lily and Molly, so I wanted to put those out, and I love how Lily is inspecting the area. In the last part of my video, I am folding some laundry, and honestly, I almost did not include this because at this point I was so unmotivated. The last thing that I wanted to do was fold this laundry. However, I had put it on my bed and I knew that I had to fold it. So I just wanted to share this part of the video with you because, sometimes we're not always excited about doing a chore, or there's just something we don't feel like doing that day. But we pushed through and I felt so much better once it was finished. As I look back and see me folding this laundry, it is kind of humorous that I was so overwhelmed and not into this chore that I normally love, because I love to fold laundry normally. And it's like everything's inside out, nothing is going exactly as I want it to. So it's just kind of funny to look back and to see that. Also, I am working on some new folding techniques, so I cannot wait to practice those and master those so that I can bring those to you. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, take some time to live, laugh, and love today.